more hiding, no more lying. This is me. This is me. Yeah. This is the story of my life. Yeah. Backup singers, what is good? It's your boy Joey Sings, and welcome back to my channel for a brand new video, honey. Yes, you read the title right, you guys, and I'm excited to get into it, y'all, because Issa just released a brand new video, honey. If you laugh, you lose with Larray, honey. I know the chaos is about to be chaosing, so I'm gonna shut it on up and press play. But if you is not a backup singer, honey, go ahead and become one. Smash that subscribe button as well as hit that bell to get notified when I upload brand new videos like this. I'm ready to laugh, so I already know I'm gonna lose. Here we go. Alrighty, you guys, I got the video pulled up. Here we go.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hi.
Hey.
It was us. Yeah, I give a bet you did. You missed the vibe, didn't you?
Yes.
So I thought today we would play a game called If You Laugh, You Spin the Wheel. We're gonna watch TikToks that you guys send me. If one of us laughs, we have to spin the wheel.
You're losing.
Is it giving Bella Hadid? Am I giving mother?
You're giving uncle.
That's your ringtone? So the consequences we have today.
Yes.
Take a shot. So we might get a little tipsy-whipsy. Text my crush.
Ooh.
If I land on text my crush, you have to take my phone and text my crush. Same applies for this one. Text my ex.
Oh.
If I land on it, you have to text my situationship because I don't have an ex.
Which one?
Ooh.
The streets.
Girl, what street? Tweet anything from each other's phones. Oh my god, that's
Bitch,
gonna
I'm gonna
happen.
get you canceled.
No, you're not.
Oh, you know what I'm gonna tweet? I'm gonna tweet Blackpink sucks.
Show a TikTok draft. Copy someone's Instagram story. And last but not least, truth or dare. Let's start. 3, 2, 1.
All it takes is 3 claps.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I couldn't give less of a fuck about my tickets being over $1,000. I don't perform to poor bitches.
Wait. Oh my goodness.
Listen again. That sounds literally like her.
I couldn't give less of a fuck about my tickets being
That sounds just like Taylor.
Lawsuit to twaimz and Larray for defamation. Those fucking bottoms are losing it.
Oh my god, that was so funny. That was so funny. Take a shot.
Ooh.
I'll do it with you. Fuck it. I don't give a fuck.
That is so. Bitch, that's not a show. That's a goal. You trying to black me out? You know how to let me.
Cheers, baby.
Y'all been.
It's on the tip of my tongue. What do they look like?
Puns.
Okay, I'll spin the wheel first. No, we both laugh.
I didn't laugh. I laughed at myself.
Are you gonna gaslight me every time?
Bro, this is not gaslighting.
Yes, it is.
Isn't it real?
No, you're not.
I'm confident.
Oh my god.
You're mad because I'm a hit.
Right.
Tweet anything from my phone? Oh,
Hands it
God.
over.
No.
I don't know if you can trust Larray with the phone and tweet. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my, what did he tweet out? That's what I need to know.
Okay, nothing about Dream.
I'm not gonna tweet anything about Dream. I wonder what Dream smells like.
Oh my god. Okay, nothing cancelable. Nothing that can get me canceled, babe. Please. Like, seriously. Minecraft streamers be fruity as hell. I literally said don't say anything about Dream.
I tweeted it.
I saw that tweet. Wait, I need to move. We gotta fix my camera. Hold on. We gotta make this small. We gotta fix my camera because I just realized as I'm thinking about this, y'all can't see the damn the docs or the tweets and none of that. And now I'm finna mess everything up trying to get this shit set. You know what? Fuck it. We're gonna leave it where it's at. We're gonna get back into the video, honeys. Here we go.
Girl, what was so funny about that? It was just a dog.
I thought of the boys before. Okay, we're spinning.
Copy someone's Instagram story. Let's make this interesting. I'm gonna pick the story.
Ooh.
Do BBLs stink? Do it smell like booty and ass when y'all wake up on operation?
I'm not doing that. I can't. BBLs stink.
Do it smell like booty and ass when y'all wake up off the operating
Do BBLs stink?
Do it smell like booty and ass when y'all wake up off the operating
I feel like this is gonna end in us fighting.
I tagged Landon Barker.
No! Girl, that's the wrong landing
The
there.
wrong Landon.
Oh my god.
Your turn.
No, this is your house to get me now.
Let's go. Start.
Ooh.
Oh, he's losing the guy.
Spin the fucking wheel, bitch.
I have to laugh first.
Oh,
Period.
You're gonna chuckle.
Sorry, I was problematic. I'm not anymore. Gay pride, LGBT plus. Here we go. Next week, gay pride trying to meet me.
Wait, is that King Kylie?
Oh shit.
Oh, wait. I wasn't ready for that.
Paint it over, bitch.
No.
Paint it over.
Ooh.
No, because now you're mad about your Instagram stories.
How could Elizabeth already chose? Like, hands it over.
No, because you know who my crush is, and I'm not.
Thank you.
Bitch, if it's who I think it is, I'm gonna like shit my ass.
The message is to dream.
I'm about to beat this bitch up.
Hey, stink. George is cute and all, but let me show you what a speedrun really looks like. Like, you deserved it. I'm sorry.
You tagged the wrong person. It's not my fault. You tagged fucking Landon Barker and not Layla Romano.
Do BBLs stink?
You have an attitude problem. I think you need to bring it to me.
Like, and that wasn't even that bad.
Or a homosexual. I told you he was a fruitcake. What? Oh. He's gonna use the
An enchantment spell.
Now I'm trying to use the Ender Portal.
Girl, am I the Ender Dragon?
I'm gonna slay that. He's gonna eat this up. He's about to eat. Girl, that was Benny Hacker.
I thought that was Melanie Martinez, girl. I'll spin the wheel for that. I'll spin the wheel. Girl!
Hand it over. When it comes to validation, I'm gonna have it. He's pretty.
Yo, I'm already crazy.
You're in your horny era.
Wait, they're still coming for you though. Yes, Remy.
Oh, delete it. Whoever tweeted that, you're getting Grace.
Grace.
Oh,
Yeah, never mind. She won. She won.
you.
What the
Wait, we
fuck?
went on TikTok. What?
Kim tweeted you.
And here's the face of someone about to be gaslit by a fucking fruitcake. So here's me minding my business on Twitter, getting hacked by Larry, and here comes Dream the Sugarfoot trying to expose my DMs, but you left out your response. Now you're dropping out your response.
The drama.
Question mark.
Not the drama. Oh my goodness.
Tweet it.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
And you're done. Ready?
When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown.
The shade.
Text your ex. How about that?
I don't have an ex.
Levi.
Situationship. That was one-sided.
But yeah,
I've had a
Dang.
crush on somebody for like the longest time, and like literally they don't do anything to me. They literally just breathe, and I call it a situationship.
the best way to live life is delusion. It's so fun.
Text Levi. Like I caused him enough trauma in his life. This is Levi, the person I wrote the crush song about.
Which I just found out.
Do you want to know how he found out? I think you guys all know.
Bro, now Levi getting a new number, you're not having it.
No, he didn't.
It's green.
Did he block me?
I'm gonna DM him.
Oh my god.
OMG, Levi. I think I have ideas.
Okay, can you not make me unattractive?
Bitch, hold on. Now you're contradicting yourself because you said only bad bitches get IBS.
No, it's
That's
so true.
real.
Show a TikTok draft? Oh, I have plenty of pretty ones. Wait.
Let me see. That's my best friend. Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm not talking Spence more.
That was okay, Nikki.
Bars.
No, I feel like we need to text your
No,
ex.
you gotta do
No,
it.
I feel like we should do a different
You
one.
gotta do it.
No, I feel like we should do a different one.
You have to recreate it. You have to recreate it. Put this on. Let's go. Get in, ho.
Oh my gosh. What is this pose? Oh my god.
He is in the
Oh, you look
refrigerator.
so cute. Oh, my little orphan. When we post that fucking crazy ass story.
You tagged the wrong person, that's not my fault.
Post it.
Okay, I posted it.
Love you.
I want to take another shot. I'm living la vida loca.
Bad Bunny. She's like, Benito, you want to take a shot of A18? Live la vida loca.
Alright, my finale.
All I'm gonna say is
That laugh.
It's literally something that I'm gonna cringe at or throw up, and it's about myself. I promise you. I'm leaving your phone number. We're never gonna be friends again.
Okay, good.
Oh my god.
It's me. Hi. Mama had me in jail. Already not happy.
Come back, right? I didn't mean it.
Petty boots, messy boots. I
What
cannot.
are you doing? Bitch, don't.
I need to clean up your ass.
You can't face me with my old videos.
Girl, I got it over here right here. What are you talking about?
I actually am forgetting like what. I love you.
I love you. Wait, bitch. Okay, that is it. We're done.
Guys, we love you so much.
Oh, I love
Big
y'all
heart,
so much.
big heart. And we love
If
you
you guys want more
guys.
videos of us, give this video a thumbs up and comment down.
Dreams of autumn.
Comment down here.
Okay, we're gonna go. I love you. I don't want to leave. Okay, group hug, group hug, group hug. I love you. Bye. Mwah.
Oh my goodness. Because who ran to the chat? Who ran to the comments to see if they comment dream was the bottom? What? Go back. Twerk. Whoa.
Come on, best friend. Okay, finally somebody
Yes.
up. And they're lit.
Yes. Hey. Turn up. Period. Yes, for the turn up session. Oh my goodness. I got tears in my eyes from laughing my ass off, honey. But I am here for the vibe. So much so that we finna go ahead and watch Larray video too, honey. Alright, you guys. So yes, they is finna go on Omegle and roast people, honey. Let's get into it.
Hello.
Hey. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Yes, you did. You got me because I was ready. LARRI. That's me. Okay, you got me.
Hey.
Hey.
Everyone's been in the comments saying Larray stinks.
What? Y'all, you visiting me.
Hi.
Meaning you won't leave me alone.
Because I missed you.
I have to film.
I want to be your little audience.
No, this is so awkward. The Bad Bunny this one.
No!
Oh my
What you doing? What are you filming this?
I was gonna do a reacting to Dirty Confessions, but I'd rather film with you.
What do you want to do?
Should we go on Omegle?
Oh my god, wait. Okay, but like, if we're gonna do Omegle, like, we're missing something.
What?
Let's go to Starbucks.
Oh, okay. Girl, straight!
I can't see!
What are your thoughts on the Selena drama with Haley?
Don't care.
I'm not staying, I just wanna play. Ain't nobody, you just wanna romp. Big boots in the bus, stay prompt.
I literally was thinking about this, like how that day went down of North meeting Ice Spice.
So Kim called Ice Spice. She went, Ice. North is obsessed with Munch.
Can we talk like we're British?
Bruv, she said that her man is homophobic.
No way.
You know what I said, bruv? What? I said, bruv, your man ain't homophobic. Bitch, he's gay. And my butt is still saying that you don't seem that way. Wait, he texts me to play, bitch. He's sitting on the way, bitch.
How can I be homophobic?
What?
Wait, I'm homophobic.
Oh.
I hate all gays. You don't say. Cut you.
Bitch, who possesses your body, girl? Andrew Tate?
Who's calling my phone?
Oh.
That's right. He's a 10, but his balls smell.
It depends who. I mean,
You a freaky girl. She's a very freaky guy.
he's a 9, but he talks like Jeffree Star the whole time.
I'm like trying to like give him like the sloppy top, and he's like, bitch, I'm gagging.
Hi. Wait, do you guys take face card? Yeah. Okay, cool. Did it go through?
No, it was declined.
Fuck.
4, 3, 2.
Okay. Oh. Yes.
Playboy bunny. Bitch, what the fuck?
Are you guys gay?
The real question is, are you gay?
Oh.
Sin City was.
Two faggots.
Oh shit.
Are you a furry?
You're a bottom?
Bottom by furry?
I know you fucking lying. I know you fucking lying. I know you fucking lying. Terry Joe. Terry fucking Joe. Okay, wait. Let me stop crying already because I finna cry for real. Oh shit.
Hey.
Wait, can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Unfortunately, I can hear you too because my ears are starting to bleed because the cadence of your homosexual voice is really starting to. Right there. I see 2 twinks.
You know what we see? What have you been doing recently?
Not much. Just praying and doing the Christian life these days.
That's
Yes.
showing your chest. Girl, that... Oh, chest hair.
How about you guys ever thought about living a Christian lifestyle?
Oh my god.
You know what? That's okay because y'all have each other in hell.
Ooh.
Eiffel Tower in
Y'all
hell.
be standing right well. I'm the terror to both your bottoms. Anyway.
Quiet, ain't no back talk.
Hi.
You looking for 2 girls?
I can't.
You got them.
I want to show you something.
Show us.
Do you speak Spanish?
Hola, me llamo Mónica. Resfrío.
Kendall Jenner trying to talk to that buddy. Kendall Jenner trying to talk to that buddy.
Hola, ¿cuál le gusta?
¿Tienes una novia? Oh.
Oh, sí, we
Él es no tu novio.
No. Eres feo, muy feo.
Is feo thick in Spanish? Feo, period. I'm so feo. You feo, so does it mean thick in Spanish? Feo means ugly.
How can I lose if I'm already chose?
That was offensive. Don't ever say that again, okay? I know you heard me. Them big ass ears.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh!
Yo, I love y'all.
I'm literally fighting for right now, but I love you too, babe. Oh my god!
Yo, look at this shit.
Oh, bitch, an eyelash bug.
Hey, are those braids?
I'm getting a perm too. Is there some weed?
How old are you?
Old enough to fuck your mom.
Ashtray, calm down. Calm down, Ashtray.
Big ass nose.
Not toucan.
Wait, so where did you get a pet lemur from? I want one.
I don't have a pet lemur.
It's right next to you.
It's my little brother.
And I ate him up. All kids can get smoked.
I'll beat your
You're
ass.
spending so much time on this website. What them grades look like?
But your no dad having broken condom ass, fucking bitch steak ass. Goddamn highway bitch. You look like you born in a goddamn dumpster. Go back to the dumpster where you fucking belong, you dumbass bitch.
You know what? You look like that thing on Monsters Inc. when his lips was dry.
I'll give that to you. I'll give that.
Fuck you. Fuck both. Fuck both y'all.
You trying to fuck?
You trying to
What do
fuck?
you do about it?
Honestly.
He's so damn high.
Bitch, are you about to sneeze? Open your eyes if you're gonna talk shit.
My side hurt. Oh, my side hurt. Why? Y'all too much.
That's Larray, bro.
Larray? Who the fuck is Larray? Who the fuck is Larray?
Here with the song Stay the Kid Larray.
Come into your house and I'm beating your ass. I'll do it.
He said he peeing in your ass.
Friend, Granny, I'm not the only one famous. You're famous too, Fred. You didn't tell me you started in Mario. How tall are you?
6 foot.
Y'all might as well put my face on a penny, cause really Lincoln.
Oh my god. Well, it depends. Just how tall are you?
How tall you want me to be?
What do you want?
What's your sign?
I am a Leo.
Wait, what is behind you? Leo. Oh, I didn't skip him because he was a Leo. I skipped him because he's a man.
Oh. I just found James.
And I just found Stuart Little.
No way.
Hello.
I was having such a bad day today, and
I'm sorry. What happened? Rant to me. I'm a really good listener.
he was just playing with my feelings. Like, he
Aw.
said he could fall in love with me, but he didn't know if he was going to.
Fuck him.
Who says that?
Who says that?
Like,
Exactly.
that makes no fucking sense. He's a loser. I'm sorry.
But I just talked to a girl, and she was like, I'm looking for Larry. How about you? I'm like, me too. And we both said good luck to each other.
Oh, you're so cute. You look so cute, and I'm sorry that you went through that. Honestly, you're beautiful. Your dimples are cute. You don't need him. And at the end of the day,
Right.
your
Yes.
intention is so pure, and the right one will come to you. Just
Period.
Like your back.
Oh.
Wait, what's your name? I didn't catch your name. Oh my god.
Andrea.
Andrea, I'm Larry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. God bless
Yes,
you. Take care.
Larry.
Love you so much.
Hey.
Okay. Hey.
Hey, Trill.
Drinking ever.
Are you 10?
14.
You're 14? Get off this website.
I don't care.
Hey.
Hey, put it back on.
Yeah, you believe in God?
Duh, I love Ariana Grande. Love it how I move.
You don't like Ariana? What's wrong with Ariana?
Fuck that bitch.
You want to talk about mothers?
Wait, you're kind of fun. What? I see the vision. Me, you, Cheesecake Factory.
There ain't no pets allowed in Cheesecake Factory.
I don't know why you're trying to bring up something like that. Like, we literally just met. Okay, we don't just speed sex, babe. We do speed runs, babe. So.
God, it's so easy to tell that y'all are just acting super zesty on this bitch, but you're not. Oh shit, you are gay.
You're so pretty.
No, she's not. Is this real?
Who said that?
Who said what?
I said you're pretty and someone said no, she's not. Who said that?
Wait, did you say that?
What?
Did you say I'm not pretty? Did you say no, she's not?
Kiss from mommy.
Kiss? Bro, gay. We're not
Yeah,
gay.
dude.
We're not gay.
You never do that, dude. Where the girls at, bro? For sure.
Pussy.
Wrap me up.
Let's go work out, bro. Bro, let's go work out.
Ooh. Oh my goodness, I can't breathe. Hey, I just wanna rock. Hey.
You're so pretty. Oh my god, you're so gorgeous. How are you?
Hold on.
You're so
Oh.
You got cute fans, because I was going through and I was like, hold on.
Don't I?
Okay, I love you so much.
I love you too. Bye.
I've been watching you and Issa
Oh.
for the longest time.
Stay right there, okay?
Wait.
Who wants me?
Oh my fucking god.
Yo, this is why when I say this, I mean it from the bottom of my heart. This is why I love Larray and Issa. Like, this is why, okay? The way they love on us, okay? Because I'm including myself in this because they just, I love this. Now I'm getting emotional. I was crying from laughing. Now I'm crying because this is beautiful.
Shut the fuck up.
I just had a Burger King. I like this.
Shit. Lawrence, Merrick.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Ooh, my heart is.
Okay, first of all.
Oh.
It was pretty okay. I mean, my birthday just passed on the 14th, so
What did you do?
absolutely nothing.
Why?
I don't know.
Jordan, okay, first of all, where are your friends?
I don't have a lot of those.
Oh, same.
We're about to be friends. What's your Instagram? Are you planning to be a YouTuber?
I am, actually.
I will say my advice to you, Jordan, is so you're not going to start off with like a million views, okay? It takes a lot of time. So if you upload a video and it gets 10 views, that's still a lot of people. Don't let the like 10 views stop you, girl. Just keep posting, okay? And I promise you, if you believe in yourself, it's going to work.
Okay. Period.
You got
That's
this.
amazing advice.
I'm your number one fan right now, okay, girl?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you got to say, I got this.
I got this, bitch.
That's my girl.
I hear your song right now. I want the whole song right now. Go.
Wait, I cannot wait for the Larray music. Stop playing with me, friend, and drop that. Alright, you guys, there you have it. Me reacting to Issa and Larray and Issa, baby, and all of the above, because I am here for it all, you guys. Listen, the chaos was chaosing in both videos, honey. And if you laughed as much as I laughed, go ahead and give this video a big old thumbs up. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I can't talk right now because I'm still just... I am just still, yeah, all this and all that, a car, hurry, honey. If you're another backup singer before you go, honey, go ahead and become one. Smash that subscribe button as well as hit that bell to get notified when I upload brand new videos like this. I know I was supposed to say something before I said that, but I forgot where I was going, so you know what? Hey, I'm going to see y'all in the next video, honey. Deuces.